Hi, everybody. Happy Tuesday. I am back with another brand new book. And this book is for anyone who's ever been curious about thunderstorms. That's another sign of spring and summer. This book is Zap, Clap, Boom, The Story of a Thunderstorm. It's written by Laura Purdie Salas and it's published by Bloomsbury. And we want to thank them for allowing us to share this book with you today. So, are you ready to get started and to find out all about thunderstorms? All right. That doesn't look like a thunderstorm at all, does it? It's like a pretty sunny day. Zap, clap, boom. Sunny day sits warm and dry. No wind, no rain, no stormy sky. Morning's calm, outside is still, a blue forever day. Until warmer air begins to rise, floating up toward cooler skies. Clouds of puffy, fluffy white, pillows billow soft and light. Starting low, they grow and grow, white above, now gray below. Rustling, murmuring, rush begins of whispering leaves in newborn winds. No rain yet, it's just a threat. A rising cloud, a towering plume, then. Zap, clap, boom. Flicker, flitter, skitter, flash, pounding, sounding, distant crash. Sky is churning, breeze blows stronger, dry for now, but not much longer. Clouds hang heavy, black and dark, smudgy watercolor mark. They hover over, tower, loom, then. Zap, clap, boom. You know that feeling when it just is about ready to storm? You know that? And then all of a sudden, all the rain comes down. That's what's happening here. Swollen clouds begin to drain, spilling, splashing, chilling rain. Wind blows fiercely, howls and shrieks. The world groans slowly, shivers, creaks. Bolts of lightning flare and scare. Electric zigzags slice the air. Who out there is afraid of thunder and lightning or doesn't like it? Thunder rumbles. When it comes, it rolls, it stomps, it rattles, drums, a crackling, grumbling sound of doom. Then. Zap, clap, boom. And what do you see here? Does it look like the storm is over? Looks like it, doesn't it? Sky falls quiet, not a sound, no rain slamming on the ground. Earth was washed by water pressure. Now it's dazzling, sparkling, fresher. Diamond drops dress trees and vines. Storm is over. The world now shines. The end. And at the end of this book, there are a whole lot of facts, the science behind storms. And I'm going to share just one thing with you. Did you know that thunder is a side effect of lightning? Lightning is hot, around 54,000 degrees Fahrenheit. And just as a reference, today it's about 66 degrees Fahrenheit. So 54,000 degrees is really hot. The air around the lightning heats and expands so quickly that shock waves ripple through the atmosphere. Clap. We hear those shock waves as thunder. Boom. Did you know that? Well, if you did, I definitely want you to tell me all about it. And come in and check out this book. Let me know what you think about it. I will be back on Thursday with another brand new book to share with you. So until then, everybody have a great couple days. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.